If you are looking for a like new but used trailer at a great price, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of a 2025 Autumn Ridge 19 BH travel trailer. At the time of filming this, it is 2026, so not a very old trailer. It is very well taken care of, got lots of nice features, so let's get right into it. Starting at the very front, touching on some of the simple things, you're going to have your manual tongue jack in the front as well as manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. You've got your single 20-pound propane tank as well as your battery. You've got diamond plating to protect the rest of the trailer from stone chips while you're towing it behind your vehicle. And this, some other features here, you've got your solid steps, so going inside you're not going to have a kind of fold down step like you would on a trailer over there. You've got the Lippard solid step system installed in this trailer. You also have a powered awning with outdoor LED lights underneath. You've got a small storage compartment here up front for access for outdoor things such as your power cord. You're going to have your battery disconnect in the corner and a crank there as well. Walking around the trailer, you're going to see this is a single axle travel trailer. Going to the very back, in these far back corners, you're going to see those stabilizers there. You've got your bumper to store your sewer hose in, spare tire on the back. It does have that backup camera ready feature in it too, so if you do want to install a backup camera on it, that's going to be an easy install for us here at the shop or for yourself. And walking over to this side, it is a 19 BH, so it does have a bunkhouse style bunk in the back, and that's why you're going to see these two windows stacked on top of each other. Each person gets their own windows in their bunks. Overall decals look great since it is not that old of a trailer. I wouldn't expect anything less. And stepping onto the inside, we will show off the rest of its features. Going up the solid step and closing the door behind me, you're going to see this is a great floor plan for a small family. You've got this queen bed here right in the nose. Easy to access storage up above. You don't have any wire mesh or anything you got to dig through. You do still have a lip on here, so you're not going to have to worry about things sliding off here in the middle of the night. LED puck style lighting. And in this corner, you're going to see you have your solar charge controller. So on the exterior of this trailer, you're going to have 100 watts of solar power up on the roof. That's going to help keep some of these lights on here and give you some more power on those sunny days. Up above, you're going to have a 110 volt receptacle as well as your cable plugins for a TV. If you do want a little bit more privacy, you do have this track here for this curtain to block off the master bedroom, quote unquote, from the rest of the trailer. Storage wise, one thing I like seeing in these trailers is having this wardrobe style rack. It means you're not living from a suitcase. You can properly hang up your clothes if you'd like to do so. Since this drawer is tall enough, you also have a shelf in here too, so if you want to fold up some pants, have some shoes in here, you kind of got a full style wardrobe just right there. Another nice feature is this is right beside the door, so if you just want to slide small things in these drawers here, like your wallet, sunglasses, extra keys or phones, it's easily accessible right here at the door, so you don't have to trek through the whole trailer and get these nice bright floors dirty with muddy shoes. Over into the kitchen, you've got this deep sink here with this timeless matte black faucet. It is a high rise with the hose attachment, so that's a combination I like to see. Opening up just like you'd have at home, you're going to have storage up above for all of your appliances, pots, pans, glasses, plates. You're obviously going to have your beautiful campfire outside when you're camping, but for cooking options on the interior, you have this large microwave, 2-burner stovetop, and you're going to have this 12-volt electric fridge freezer combo. Lots of room. It is a deep boxy fridge here, no wasted space, and options there to bring all this extra food and drinks with you. Although this is a smaller floor plan, you get a decent amount of storage. You've got fold down here for your cleaning sponges and stuff when you're doing dishes. You've got pull out drawers, very smooth, very well built hardwood cabinets. Flipping over to this side, this is going to be your main dinette area. So this is where you're going to sit down, have your morning coffee, play your board games, get out from the sun into a nice cool trailer. But it will convert to an extra sleeping area too. So if you have more than just mom and dad or grandpa and grandma in the bed there, and you've got the kids or grandkids in these single over single bunks in the rear, if you've got more than that, you have room here with this dinette. This table is going to drop down, these cushions will come over. That's going to be an extra sleeping spot as well. Up above, you've got storage compartments. Lots of windows just on the side of the trailer to let in all of this natural light. With it being a 2025, you still kind of have that modern look compared to some older trailers where they were big into that dark espresso style color palette. All of these nice bright patterns here, as well as LED puck lighting and windows, make it feel nice and airy on the inside. I briefly touched on it on the exterior, but each single over single bunk does have its own window, so there's no fighting between the kids or grandkids or adults of who gets the better bed. Another nice feature to see too is you have these little cargo netting here, perfect if they've got their own little phones or they've got their own little notepads, things they want to keep with them right beside the bed here. You've got that cargo netting. Up above, you're going to have that same cargo netting as well as a 5-volt USB A charging port. Last but not least, we're going to go into the washroom here. So you've got a skylight and fan. This is a perfect family style trailer because you actually do get a bath as well. So you're going to have a spot to rinse off your feet. If you're bringing a pet with you, you need to rinse them off. A kid needs to have a bath, anything like that, you've got a spot to soak compared to some trailers where it's only going to be a shower style setup. You also have your foot flush toilet and a nice clean wall here. Plenty of room if you wanted to add some extra shelves, hooks, hangers, stuff like that. You're going to have that flexibility to do so. So if you are in the market for a pre-owned trailer, or you're even in the market for a new trailer, this lightly used 2025 Autumn Ridge 19BH could be yours. I have a feeling it will go fast. If you want to see everything else it has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.